Hello everyone, children. We are studying health and hygiene chapter these days, and today is the third part of health and hygiene, or we can say this is the third session of health and hygiene. In the previous two sessions, you have studied about the diseases, communicable diseases, and the different types of communicable diseases, their preventive measures, their symptoms. And today we will study in this session about the prevention of diseases. How can we prevent these communicable diseases? Prevention of diseases. You are very familiar to know a proverb, prevention is better than cure. Prevention is better than cure. That means we should prevent ourselves so that there is no need to take any cure or medicine. So that is very important. Prevention is better than cure. Today we are following that slogan that stay home, stay safe. That means when we are at home, we are safe. So there is no need of any medicine. It is better to take that step take the step that prevent the occurrence of the diseases in the body than to cure it after its appearance. So we should take some preventive measures so that the disease may not appear, instead of taking any cure after its appearance. That is why we are following the slogan stay home, stay safe. We are at home, and we know that when we are at home we are safe, instead of having the disease and taking the cure. There are many ways to prevent the occurrence of the diseases. We can prevent the diseases in many ways. These ways aim to maintain a proper hygiene. So we have to, if we want to prevent it ourselves from the diseases, we have to maintain a proper hygiene. Now see what is hygiene. This is a science dealing with the maintenance of health. That means a science which deals in the maintenance of health is known as hygiene, which can be achieved in the following ways. So hygiene can be maintained in the following ways. So hygiene is the science which deals with the maintenance of health, and that can be achieved by following some ways. Now what are these ways? Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene means taking care of ourselves. That is personal. It includes all those measures taken by the individual to preserve their own health. That means we have to take care of our own health. Personal. We are responsible for that. And for that, what you have to do? Taking bath regularly with soap, regular brushing after every meal, washing the hands before and after taking the meals, avoiding sharp things to remove wax from the ear, wearing neat and clean clothes. Children, I know that everybody is following this personal hygiene. But how you are following this personal hygiene? You are taking bath regularly, you are regularly changing your undergarments, your clothes, you are brushing your teeth before and after eating meal, you are washing your hands, avoiding, you are not using any sharp thing to remove your wax from the ears. So all these things are related to your personal hygiene. Now this is one way. Second way is public or community hygiene. Public or community means it includes the all the community, all the other people, those who live in your community, in your society. That hygiene is known as the public or the community hygiene. It includes the sum total of all the activities aimed at protecting, maintaining, and improving the health of the people. It is not related to individual. It is related to the whole community, how we can protect them, how we can maintain and improve the health of the people in our society, in our community. There should not be any stagnant water in and around the house, as it can promote the growth of mosquitoes. So for community hygiene, it is very important that you should keep your surrounding clean. There should not be any stagnant water, which are the breeding places of the mosquitoes. Garbage should be thrown in covered bins so that house flies cannot breed there. So all the garbage, all the waste material should be thrown in the covered dustbins so that the flies may not breed there. Waste materials from the factory should be treated first and then thrown into the water bodies. So these waste materials or the waste water or the water which comes out from the factories, it should be treated first to remove all the poisonous things, and then it should be dumped into the water bodies. There should be a proper disposal of sewage into the water bodies. All the sewage should be disposed properly in the water bodies. Prevention of air and water pollution, supply of pure drinking water, good sanitation, and proper housing facilities are some of the other measures to maintain a good public hygiene. Steps or measures should be taken to prevent air and water pollution. Then proper housing facilities should be there. That means proper houses should be there with proper ventilation, and no overcrowding should be there. So all these measures will maintain a good public hygiene. Another is the industrial hygiene. Industrial hygiene is also known as the occupational hygiene. Occupational hygiene means it is related to the job or the occupation of the people. It includes all those measures which can be taken to preserve the individual's health while he is at work. See, industrial hygiene means the people or those who are working in the factories and in the industries. It includes all the people, those who work there. So proper this protection should be there for these people, those who are working in these environment. They should be provided with the uh, some measures that while they are at work they should not be injured or they should not be ill in that conditions. Mental hygiene, it deals with the establishment of healthy mental attitudes and emotional reactions. Mental hygiene means our mental activities should be, or our health, mental health should be good, healthy habits. Now, this is very important for you that you have to follow some healthy habits. Now, we'll see what are these healthy habits. Develop healthy habits. How can you develop these healthy habits? Be punctual and disciplined to each and every aspect of your life. The first thing is that you have to be punctual and disciplined in your aspects of life. Take food at regular intervals. First thing, this is very important that you should take food at regular intervals of time. 3 times breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There should be gap between these meals. You should not eat every time. So, if you will take your food at regular intervals, that will develop a healthy habit in you. Avoid eating fast foods which are quickly becoming part of our busy lifestyle because they are readily available and economically. Today, children, you should avoid eating fast food. Second is that you should avoid eating fast food. All the children now, the people are depending on the fast food. Because why they are depending on fast food? Because they are readily available. They do not We do not have to waste time in cooking all that. So but this is very harmful, and it is available and it is economical also. Instead of cooking, we can get all the burgers, pizza immediately from the market. Fast food contains a lot of saturated fat which causes obesity in the people and also lead to high blood pressure and heart diseases. Now, fast foods, what does the fast food contains? Why you should not eat fast food? This fast food contains lot of saturated fats, and these saturated fats leads to obesity. Obesity means overweight. You have seen small children, but they are overweight. Their weight is, if the child is of 5 years or 6 years, but his weight is 40 50 kgs. So this is called obesity, overweight. And this obesity leads to high blood pressure and heart diseases. Even if you are very small or very young, you will suffer from these diseases like high blood pressure and heart diseases. So avoid eating all these fast food. Moreover, these fast foods are mostly prepared in unhygienic conditions. All these fast foods, they are prepared in unhygienic conditions. That means without washing the vegetables, and in very unhygienic conditions they are pregnant. They are not washing their utensils or the vessels also. But when your mother cook all these things at home, that is cooked in a hygienic condition. She washes everything, she cleans the kitchen and the surrounding, and then she cooks. So avoid eating these fast food. Eating at home ensures a healthy, disease free body. If you eat the food at home, at your homes, which are cooked by your mothers, you will be healthy and your body will be disease free. So children, avoid eating this fast food and develop healthy habits among yourselves. Now, to understand the general method of preventing diseases, some of the general methods are given here. How can you prevent yourself from the diseases? By following the personal hygiene also and the public hygiene. Some of the personal health measures, what you should do to maintain that personal hygiene. Nourishing and balanced diet. See children, for your personal hygiene you have to eat, or you should eat, a balanced diet which provides the body with all the essential components necessary for growth and repair of the body cells and tissues. So eat a balanced diet, so that will help in the growth and development and the repair of your cells and tissues. Personal hygiene is taking care of one's own body. It includes cleanliness, physical exercise, rest and sleep, and healthy habits. So, what all things are included in personal hygiene? Cleanliness. You should keep yourself clean. Then you should do physical exercise. You should take proper rest and sleep and healthy habits, and you should include some healthy habits in your personal hygiene. Now, personal cleanliness, what does this personal cleanliness means? It involves the care of the body parts like skin, hands, nail, teeth, eyes, ears, and nose. Personal cleanliness involves the care of your body. How can you take care of your body? By bathing regularly, changing your clothes, trimming your nails, then cleaning your eyes, brushing your teeth. In this way you can maintain this personal cleanliness. Regular physical exercise, this is also very important. Physical exercise and yoga is very important. It is essential for maintaining muscle tone of the body muscles and heart. It tones your body muscles and your heart, and it also helps in increasing the blood circulation, which is very important. If the blood circulation will increase in your body, every part of your body will be supplied by oxygen. So it is very important to do regular physical exercise. Proper rest and sleep for good mental health. Rest and relaxation helps in rejuvenation. Now, proper rest and sleep is also very important. It will relax your body, it will remove all your mental tensions, your mind will be relaxed. So, you should take proper rest and sleep. Clean food, clean water, and clean air prevent infectious diseases. If you will eat clean food, if you will drink clean water, and if you will inhale clean air, that will protect you from different types of infectious diseases. Clean fresh food protect us from various gastric infections. Safe drinking water saves us from waterborne diseases, and breathing clean non-polluted air protect us from airborne diseases. Drinking clean water will protect you from waterborne diseases like jaundice and other infections in your body. And this breathing clean air will protect you from airborne diseases. Now, clean surrounding, that means you should keep your surroundings clean. If you will keep your surrounding clean, you will be protected from different types of infectious diseases. Now, about the public, this is about the personal hygiene. Now, about the public health measures. It includes clean surroundings. Dumping of garbage in open space provides breeding places for flies and other disease causing germs. Accumulation of water encourages mosquito breeding. At many places, people defecate in parks and open areas. This causes the growth of bacteria and other diseases causing germs. Now, see, children, to maintain this public health or public hygiene, you should keep your surrounding clean. This garbage should not be dumped in the open places, because if the garbage is dumped in the open places, that will provide a ground for the breeding of the mosquitoes and the flies. And many people you have seen in the villages, they go and they defecate in the open, so that should be avoided. No, following steps needed to be taken to ensure the effective social hygiene. If you have to maintain a social hygiene, we have to take some steps. Proper sewage disposal by underground sewage pipes from colonies to prevent the vector-borne diseases. So, for the disposal of sewage, proper disposal should be done through the pipes to prevent the vector-borne diseases. Vector means the diseases which are spread by flies, insects, mosquitoes, etc. Clean, filtered, chlorinated, and germ free drinking water to prevent the waterborne diseases. So, you know, children, that water is supplied to all the houses and to the whole community. So, that water should be chlorinated, filtered, germ free to prevent the society from waterborne diseases. Clean surrounding and less crowded, airy, and open habitat to prevent the spread of airborne diseases. Our surroundings should be clean, it should not be overcrowded, so that airborne diseases can be prevented. Now, providing clinics and health centers to treat the ill persons. Our societies, our communities should have the proper health clinics so that the ill people can get their treatment there. Providing nutrition education at community level about the importance of nutritious food for good health. Now, proper nutrition education should be given. That means awareness on the nutrition should be given at the community level, so that the people may understand the importance of eating balanced diet. Family planning centers to educate people about the importance of a small family. There should be family planning centers in the society or in the community, so that they may educate the people, or they can make the people aware about the importance of the small family. If the family is small, the parents can provide everything, good education to the children. They can provide better, or we can say this, nutritious food to the children. In this way, that center should be there in your society. Community health education to help people know causes, spread, and treatment of the common diseases. So, our community should be made aware about the health education that may make the people aware, or that may help the people to know about the causes and the spread of some of the common diseases and how these diseases can be treated. So, this is all about this awareness and the prevention of diseases. That is how you can treat, how you can prevent, yeah, that diseases. That is how can you take care of your personal hygiene and community hygiene. So, children, this is all about these diseases, about their prevention. So, stay home, stay safe, and we'll meet in the next session. Thank you.